Hi guys, I want to participate in the Wcoin listing lottery. I have this positive feeling that if I participate in it, I might be among the lucky winners. So I'm going to take you guys through the step-by-step process on how you can participate in this Wcoin listing lottery, the W lottery. It's very easy to do. Just make sure you hang on to the end of this video to get it all. So guys, let's get started. So guys, can see on the screen, you can see what's written there. W lottery is live. That means anyone can actually participate right now. You can see what's written there. It says use W tickets to take a part of huge reward before the listing. That means this W lottery is going to happen before the listing of Wcoin. So it's going to be distributed to those who are likely to win the prizes. For you to join this W lottery, what you simply have to do now is to tap on where you can see join now. You can see it down there. But before I go ahead now to tap on that, let me get to show you guys details about this W lottery, how the winners are going to share their prizes and the rest of it. So let me go now to the Wcoin community so I get to show you guys the update. So let me tap on join community. Right here guys is the update from Wcoin. You can see it right there. Wcoin listing lottery is live. Meets the Wcoin listing celebration starts with a jackpot, and the jackpot is $100,000 US, 100,000 USDT. That's what is going to be shared among the lucky winners. You can see there. Let me continue reading. It says here's the 100,000 prizes pool. The first place is going to go home with 50,000 USDT. This is actually huge. The second place is going to go home with 25,000 USDT, while the third place is going to go home with 10,000 USDT. Guys, this is mind-blowing. Then from the 4th position to the 10th place to the 10th position, they're going to share 2,142 USDT each. Guys, this is actually cool. This is one opportunity no one would want to miss for anything, and like I said, I have this positive feeling that I may be among the lucky winners. So let me continue reading. It says check the twist. The more mates join and the more W ticket bought, the higher the reward go. Let's take it further together. How to join? 1 ticket equals to 1 chance to win. So if you buy 1 ticket, your chances of winning this this lottery, this jackpot is going to be 1. So if you get 1 ticket, you stand the chance of winning this lottery. The more you hold, the higher your odds. So the more tickets you buy, the higher the odds for you to win and be among the lucky winners. You can see 20 days only. Don't miss out. Don't miss this shot. So guys can see this is details. You can see there are actually more than 10 winners that is going to emerge from this W lottery. So guys, if you want to participate now, what you have to do now is to make sure you follow me through to the end of this video. I'm going to take you guys through the step-by-step process on how you can join this listing, this W lottery. What I'm going to do now is to go back to my Wcoin mining app on Telegram. Let me go over to there. Let me go back now. Right there you can see we are back to the Wcoin mining app. So what I'm going to do now is to go ahead now to tap on where you can see W lottery. You can see it right there at the top. You can see the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. Right here guys, this is where you're going to be able to buy your ticket in order to participate in this W lottery, so you can be among the lucky winners of the jackpot. You can see right there at the top, the total participant is above 41,000. You can see it right there. 41 persons have actually participated in this W lottery, and as you can see there, it is remaining 11 days to go. So in 11 days, this W lottery is going to end, and the winners are going to be announced before the listing of Wcoin, which is also coming this month. And as you can see there, I have zero amount of tickets. I've not bought any tickets yet. That's why I can see 0. And as you can see there, the total tickets bought is above 300,000. You can see 333,000 tickets have been bought, and the jackpot is 100,000 USDT. Guys, this is a huge lottery. Now for you to go ahead now to join this this W lottery, what you can simply do is you tap on where you can see buy ticket down there. So let me tap on it right away. Right here guys is the next step. You can see what's written there, ticket shop. W tickets grants entry to the W lottery for exclusive rewards. So without the W ticket, you cannot get access to this W lottery. You can't participate. You can see here there are different ticket packages. You can see the first one there. The first package is just 1 ticket. So if you want to get 1 ticket, they go for this first package. The second package has 10 tickets inside of it, and as you can see there, it has 25% off, 25% discount. Then the third one there is 100 tickets, while the fourth one is 1,000 tickets. The fifth one 5,000 ticket. Then the last one there is 10,000 tickets, and it has a discount of 81%. So guys, now what you have to do now is to decide how many tickets they want to get. What am I going to do now? Should I go for 1 ticket or 10 tickets? Let me go for the 1 ticket, because with my 1 ticket I still stand the chance of winning this jackpot, of being among the first winners. So let me go ahead now to tap on 1 ticket. Right there guys, can see one ticket has been selected now, and as you can see there, these are the prices that you can get it for. You can see you can get it for 0.08 ton. You can see down there, or you can use Telegram stars, 13 Telegram stars. You can see it right there on the right hand side. In case you don't have Telegram stars and you want to know how to get it, I've already made a dedicated video on how you can buy Telegram stars. What you have to do is that just go over to the description of this video or over to the comment section. I'm going to be leaving the video link right there. Tap on the video link, they'll be able to watch and learn how you can buy Telegram stars. With Telegram stars, you can be able to buy these tickets in order to participate in this W lottery. However, if you have up to 0.8 ton in your Telegram wallet or your ton keeper, whichever wallet you have, then you can go ahead to tap on ton. But in this video, I'm going to be using Telegram stars since I have it in my Telegram account, in my Telegram wallet. So let me tap on it right away. Let me tap on Telegram stars, 13 Telegram stars. So guys, now you can see it's loading. Let's just wait a few seconds. Wow guys, can see the next step. Can see what's waiting there. Confirm your purchase. Do you want to buy ticket 1 in Wcoin for 13 Telegram stars? Yes, I want to do it. So let me go ahead now to tap on where you can see confirm and pay 13 stars. So let me tap on it right there. You can see down there. So let me tap. So guys, now you can see it's loading. Wow guys, can see now the first package, which is the ticket 1, has been unlocked. You can see it right there, it has been unlocked. So I now have one W ticket. You can see it right there. So what I'm going to do now is to go back. Let me show you guys my W ticket balance. You can see now I now have one W ticket. So with this one W ticket now, I can participate in this W lottery. I stand the chance of being among the luckiest or the lucky winner in this W lottery. The jackpot is 100 USDT, which is a huge one. So guys, this is how I can participate in the W lottery. See you in the next upload.